Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Train Expert channel. On this Friday, April 14th, 2023, we have a light power train. Let's check it out. I did 4 videos on the live stream today, but we haven't done any camcord versions until this. So we'll get those on the regular camcorder, and then I'll save I might do that. If there's an oil city train, I'll get those live, but I just want to get one or two. I want to get a couple of them on the regular camcorder and be done with it. No, I didn't set up the stream because I didn't want to set the live stream when it goes down to 1%. Nope, battery didn't die yet, Should be died here in a minute. There they go. Oh. There we go. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train, also too on the regular camcorder. Talk to you later.